Hello students, good morning you all. Today we want to discuss, we want to read, we want to explain the summary of the chapter number 3. Discovering Tut, the saga continues. Discovering Tut. It was a discovery about the King Tut's tomb. उसकी कब्र की जो खोज की गई थी 1922 में. This chapter is related to the discovery. And second, the saga continues. The long story about the mystery behind the death of the king still continues in the entire world. Dear students, just before reading the chapter, we want to discuss the history of the Egypt. The King Tut was the last empire, last king of the Egypt. मिस्र का अंतिम उत्तराधिकारी था, अंतिम शासक था, अंतिम सम्राट था. मिस्र में राजा को फेरो के नाम से जाना जाता था, फेरोज. Because Pharaoh means Pharaoh once. He was the last king of the Pharaoh once. And his death became a mystery. And there was a controversy over the death of the king Tut. How did he die? And what was the reason behind his death? उसकी मौत कैसे हुई और उसकी मौत का कारण क्या था? क्योंकि मिस्र के लोग they loved this family. Because the people of the Egypt believed in rebirth. पुनर्जन्म में विश्वास करते थे. They believed in the life after the death. और मौत के बाद पुनर्जन्म में विश्वास करते थे. That is why they buried the people with the daily needs, useful things, golds and ornaments. क्योंकि they thought that they would get all these ornaments, all these gold, all these treasures after the death in the next birth. Dear students, we want to discuss about the story of the King Tut. King Tut, he was known as Tutankhamun. King Tut, who was known as Tutankhamun. He was the last king of his family. When he died, it was the age 16, 17 or 18 years old. There is no clue about the exact date of his death. And people wanted to discover about his tomb and wanted to know the mystery behind his death. Dear students, in his family, Amenhotep III, this is not clear about his family, whether he was his grandfather or forefather. He ruled over the Egypt since 40 years. 40 साल तक मिस्र पे राज किया. ये किंग टट के फोरफादर्स अभी ये क्लियर नहीं है. और उसके बाद इस सन एमेनहोटेप III सन एमेनहोटेप IV, एमेनहोटेप के सुपुत्र एमेनहोटेप came to the throne, राजगद्दी पे बैठा. It was a very strange period of this king because he started the worship of the Aten god. He started the worship of Aten god because the Amun god was very much popular, very much famous god in the Egypt. In the Egypt, मिस्र में सबसे पॉपुलर और सबसे फेमस गॉड अमुन था. बट ही स्टार्टेड द वर्शिप ऑफ एटेन गॉड. किसने स्टार्ट किया? एमेनहोटेप IV, जो अपने आप को एखेनेटन के नाम से जानता था. एखेनेटन, ही वाज नोन एज एखेनेटन. नाम तो इसका एमेनहोटेप IV था, लेकिन ही चेंज हिज नेम एंड एखेनेटन. एखेनेटन अपना नाम बदल लिया और ही स्टार्टेड द वर्शिप ऑफ एटेन गॉड. बट पीपल worship the Amun god. He started breaking the images and pictures of the god Amun. He closed the temples. It was a very mysterious, it was a very strange period in the history of the Egypt. After that, Semenkhkare, a ruler, came to throne. This king, Mr. Amenhotep IV, became wacky, became eccentric, became sulky बन गया एक. और people were very much fed up. After him, there was a ruler called Semenkhkare. But after Semenkhkare, a very young man came to the throne. एक बहुत ही नौजवान आदमी सत्ता में आया, उसने शासन शुरू किया. उसका नाम था King Tut or known as a Tutankhamun. Once again he started the worship of Amun god. फिर उसने अमुन गॉड की पूजा शुरू कर दी. एंड देयर वाज ए नाइस पीरियड इन इट्स रूल. उसके शासन में बहुत अच्छा बहुत ही गोल्डन पीरियड था. And suddenly he died. Tut or Tutankhamun. This king, he was the last king of this family. He died in a mysterious way. And there was no reason, there was not a reason known about his death. Dear students, after that, people started asking the reasons about the death. And his death became a mystery. उसकी मौत एक रहस्यमय बन गई. और 1922 में टट्स की टॉम्ब कबर मकबरा, इट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाई ए ब्रिटिश आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हॉवर्ड कार्टर. ब्रिटिश पुरातत्व वैज्ञानिक हॉवर्ड कार्टर ने 1922 में राजा टट के मकबरे की खोज की, वेयर ही वॉज बरीड आफ्टर द डेथ, जहां पर उसको मौत के बाद दफना दिया गया था. एंड ही केम टू नो ही वॉज बरीड विद द रिच gold materials and very expensive things, very useful things, very desired things. When people came to know, in 1968, anatomy professor ANA, anatomy professor x-rayed the mummy होता है dead body of King Tut, राजा टट की dead body का x-ray किया. And there were two strange points. He came to know the breastbone and rib cage were missing. In 2005, Zahi Awas, he was an archaeologist of the Egypt. He started first time in the history CT scan of the mummy. CT scan, computed tomography. सीटी स्कैन किया गया उसकी डेड बॉडी का, बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू नो द सीक्रेट बिहाइंड द डेथ ऑफ द किंग टूटनखामन. एंड 100 एक्स-rays were taken from all directions in a 3D images of the body. And after this CT scan, all doubts were removed and nothing was bad happened. Dear students, this was the reason. In the history of the Egypt or in the history of the world, it was the first time the dead body of a king was CT scanned, invented and discovered. That is why it is a very famous and the popular chapter. There are some phrases in this chapter. Resurrection means coming out of the grave. People of the Egypt believed in the rebirth. Funerary treasures. The treasures, the expensive things were buried at the time of the funeral of the King Tut. राजा टट की मौत के समय हीरे जवाहरात के साथ बहुत सारी कीमतें उसके साथ दफना दी गई थी. उसको बोलते फ्यूनरी ट्रेजर्स. फोरेंसिक रिकंस्ट्रक्शन. फोरेंसिक रिकंस्ट्रक्शन होता है इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ ए क्राइम इज डन थ्रू द टेक्नोलॉजी. The CT scan was done about the dead body to know the mystery and the secret behind the death. Dear students, 3,300 years ago, the King Tut died. When he was dead at the age of the teenage, 16, 15, or 17 or 18 years old. Now, after the CT scan, it was believed that the death of the King Tut was not natural. However, two questions remain mystery. One question, how did he die? But scientists came to learn some clues about the death, that his death was not a natural. Second, what was the age at the time of the death? Approximately 600 mummies have been scanned in the Egypt, but King Tut's mummy, the mummy CT scan of the King Tut was a very famous mummy in the world, in the entire world. Dear student, this is the brief explanation of a summary, and I will provide you the question answer related to the textbook of this chapter, and all students are directed to go through the textbook, read and understand the summary. I have given major important clues related to the story. Thank you, students.